Gold traded bearish for the day, hitting the lows all the way towards 3316 levels, while silver stayed sideways. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Are we looking forward for this drop to continue, or there is a possibility of a bounce back and a rise? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver with the US session? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Earlier in the day, I have very clearly mentioned once it trades below 3340, stay short, stay short. 331820 levels should be there. Precisely hitting the zone, it is trying to consolidate. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, and comment. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notification for both the updates. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, gold on the early charts, you can see it is consolidating here. It is also delivering lower highs here. Yes, there is a possibility of a little retracement. If it stays beyond 33, 32 levels, you can initiate a buy. Expect it to move towards 33, 40, 42 zone, first target zone. And if it stays beyond 33, 40, 42, that is a time you can confirm that there could be further rise all the way towards 3350. I do not expect it to breach this zone today, 3350, 3360. Since last multiple sessions, I have mentioned that 3400 is going to remain a barrier. Yesterday also we have seen 3380, 3400 offering a good resistance. That was a zone. Now for the day, 3350, 3360. If at all gold decides to move upwards, 3350, 60 should not be breached in any case. I do not expect it to retrace as well. The moving averages have traded with divergence, staying bearish as of now. And remember one fact, that if it trades now below 33, 15, 16, the lows, if it breaches, it is not going to come back. We are looking at 3300, 3290 or 3280 levels. Now see the stochastic here is at bottom. The MACD is trading sharply bearish. Now notice when it was bullish, we have seen plus 15 levels. When it is bearish, it can in fact head all the way towards minus 15. Though it is trying to converge here, wait for a crossover in order to confirm a reversal. RSI is hitting the bottom here. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour chart. See the drop here, sideways movement, a little bounce back, and then this reversal has appeared today. And what a good move it has shown. Now see these three candles, higher lows are seen, and these are outside Bollinger Bands, putting pressure on the bands to expand. The next thing is the lower highs. It is very, very important for gold to now trade beyond 33, 30, 32 in order to confirm further rise, or to trade below 33, 15, 16 zone in order to confirm further drop. Stochastic at bottom here, the MACD trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish. The RSI is also sitting at the bottom. Coming to 3 hour. Now this is important because when you look at 3 hour chart, see diminishing bearishness here, the pullback has appeared. Again, you can see diminishing bearishness here. The body sizes have diminished here and higher lows are seen. And that is why I say it is very, very important for gold to now trade below 33, 15, 16 levels here, breach the lows it has created here. And once it trades below this, you can expect the next targets to be towards 3304 and 3290, 92 zone. Possibility exists for this as well. The moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish here as well. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts also similar observation. See, it may start off with the drop, but only and only if it breaches the lows for the day, you can confirm the bearishness here. And then 3304, 3290, 3280 has to be there very, very soon. The crossover here is important. The moving averages are now trading with divergence. Notice it has hovered around moving averages. Now see the connect the highs, connect the lows here. We can see this is almost a channel it has created here, and it is a moderately bearish channel. Now a complete reversal confirmation on the daily charts is only and only if gold trades below 3280. That is the only level below which we can say now it is reversing on the daily charts, and then a greater correction should follow beyond below that. But right now what is happening, look at this. This is a beautiful channel. It may take time. It can try to come back here slowly, but right now I think today is not the day that it is going to move towards 33, 50, 60. If at all it decides to bounce back, it may try to come back towards here and then take some more time to move all the way on the upside. But right now appears difficult, very, very difficult. The stochastic getting to oversold zone, the MACD trading with divergence, the MACD is staying bearish, RSI flat at bottom. Coming to daily. Now before we proceed to daily chart, see, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 30th of June. Limited seats are available. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And those looking forward to trade as per the signals should join the signals channel on Telegram. Again, reach out to me for your queries. Once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important for you to have a safer place to trade where you can get lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, and zero commissions. Join it today. The trusted partner link is there in the channel and video description, and enjoy your trading. Now, look at the daily charts here. See, this is how it was trading, and now it has breached the support. It is trading below 20 period moving average. That is very, very important. Now, notice last time when it has breached 20 period, it is consolidated around 50 period. Now, 50 period is what it needs to breach further. And now this zone all the way towards 3280, 3290 should be achieved and should be a greater support zone as well. If that is taken, then you can say now gold is heading all the way towards 3250 first target, 3200 second target. Look at the move here. Notice what has happened. Drop retracement. Yesterday was a pullback candle and today it is continued with this down. And this is also, notice, increasing body size. So two candles with increasing body size suggests there could be a third candle, because this is a breakout. This is a breakout out of this. And this suggests there could be a further down move. If not today, then possibly tomorrow. Be watchful of this as well. Stochastic comfortable at bottom. MACD divergent here. Look at the divergence. See, this is expanding. The expanding divergence suggests sharp bearishness ahead. RSI looking downwards as well. So considering this, there is a possibility of slight retracement, but I do not expect a complete reversal. Considering this, you can buy here at 33.32 levels, or 33.30, 32 should offer a very good resistance. Beyond this, expect 33.38.40 as the next target, 33.48.50 as the second target, and then 33.60. If and only if gold trades beyond 33.60, that's a reversal. See, these are markets, you have to look at both the possibilities. If it trades beyond 33.60, it's a reversal. It's bullish for 33.80 or in fact 3400, chances of which appears to be very, very less as far as my opinion is considered. On the downside, now the selling entry is recommended. If you see it is staying below 33.15, take a sell for 33.08, 33.04 zone. This is the first target zone which it would like to achieve. Then 32.90.92 and then 32.78.80. If these three levels are taken, the next targets are towards 32.50 and 3200 very, very soon, if not today. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Interestingly, silver today has hardly shown any move here. We have seen a very, very tight range bound move. I have very clearly mentioned 36, 35, 80 should offer a good support. It has respected this zone. On the upside, it has failed to break beyond 36.20 itself. Forget about 36.40, 50, which is the next milestone. Notice the moving averages here are trading with divergence, and these are offering it a greater resistance. So it is clear that if you see it is staying above 36.20, that is the lower price. If you see it is staying above 36.20, you can expect a little rise. However, it is going to be trickier. 36.40, 36.60 is the ultimate resistance it needs to breach, only above which you can say the bulls are back. Also, right now I can say that it is not showing bearishness as well. So very, very important for it to trade below 35.80 in order to confirm bearishness. Stochastic looking down, MACD trading moderately bearish, RSI flat here. On the 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts, the support here, and see the consolidation here. Wait for it to trade and breach below 35.80 levels in order to confirm further bearishness here. If you see the stochastic, this is the top. The MACD is under retracement. It is willing to cross over. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is flat here. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened? See, the lower highs are seen here. Higher lows are seen here. Consolidation going on. Wait for a breakout move. Any move below 35.90, 35.80 should be considered a breakout here. And below 35.80, you can stay short for 35.60, 35.40 levels. Below which you can say $35 level should be seen. Notice the crossover in the moving averages is on the sell side. And this crossover is appearing after a long time in silver. So it might stay here for a while. Only thing is it has to breach 35.50, 35.40 levels in order to confirm further bearishness. The stochastic has retraced. The MACD is also retracing here. The RSI is flat. On the 4 hour, again on the 4 hour chart, see the crossover here is important. And you can see now 20, 40, 50 period moving average offering it a greater hurdle, offering it a greater resistance. 36.20, 36. 40, 36.50, this is the zone. These are the levels it needs to breach in order to confirm the breakout on the upside. As long as 36.50 is not taken, you should not be treating silver as bullish. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD already sitting at the bottom. Notice when it was bullish, we have seen plus 60. And right now, in fact, it is sitting at minus 20. It has lot much of a scope on the downside. It can again cross over for sell. But right now, it is restricting itself. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily chart. Now this is important. On the daily chart, see higher lows are seen. 20 period offering it a very, very good support. And that is why I say it is pretty important for silver to trade below 35.50, 35.40 zone. So this complete dollar zone, that is 35.50 to 36.50, is getting critical for silver to break either on the upside or on the downside. Whenever it decides to take a direction, this is going to give you a swift move. Possibly 35, 34.50 on the downside should be there. Else it might head towards 37, $38 zone. Stochastic at bottom. See the MACD here. Notice the MACD crossing over at the top, trading with divergence, suggestive of more bearishness. It is possible that it can stay sideways and then tomorrow it delivers the breakout. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, the buying trade is recommended once you see silver trading beyond 36.20. When you see the lower price above 36.20, take a buy, but then 36, 35.40 should be the first resistance, 36.50, 36.60 should be the second. Till 36.60, it has got greater resistances. Beyond that, expect 36.85, 37.20, and then sky is the limit, 37.80 should be there. For the day, I do not see that happening. And where it closes today is important. If it closes above 36, 50, 60, remember tomorrow we may see it reversing and giving a breakout on the upside. On the downside, take a selling and trade 35.90, 35.80. Expect 35.60, 35.40. And if it trades below 35.40, stay short. Stay short for a correction towards $35 levels, 34.50. And in fact, lower levels are possible. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.